Hi lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Glory Mtui. If you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if it's the first time you stop by, hello, how are you? My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, kindly hit the subscribe button below, turn on notification bell, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, because once you give this video a big thumbs up, we have big possibility for other people to see this video. Thank you so much. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fake short natural hair for either temporary, or I can say for 1 month, 2 months. I started with my hair. I washed my hair a day before, and here I will go ahead and you may decide either to do cornrows or you may decide to do twists. Just do anything that works for you. But for me here, I'm going to do cornrow. And this kind of cornrow I'm going to add hair only one side. So after I separate the first section into two, not three, into two, and then the first section go back of my thumb finger, while my index finger and my long finger help me to pick another section, and then that's how I go. I hope the more you watch, you will understand more than the way I explain, because sometimes it's a little bit difficult to explain like everything on how to braid, but once you watch, you understand more. I also show how I braid in back section so that you can see clearly, guys, how I'm doing and how my finger moving. So the way I hold the hair, right side and left side, is quite different. This another side, this is how I hold the hair, separate into two sections, and then the first section I pick the middle section, and then I keep going. If you notice in this side, the hair is up. So once you see my finger goes up, it means I separate the section that I will add, and then I continue braiding. Only one side adding hair, while other side I just braid in normal braiding. I find that this is the easiest way to do cornrows, especially if you're a beginner. This method is the best. It's very easy. You'll not add too much hair because your hand is there to take the section or to pick the section you want. And another thing, just add fewer hair. I just add very few amounts of hair every time when I add, and then I continue braiding. And I braid till end of the line, and after I finish the end of the line, I join the tail. I mean the second line pick the first line tail, and then I braid them together. This is to avoid the hair, I mean my natural hair, to show out when I braid, or to avoid to trim my natural hair after crochets when I trim hair. And this is the last one, guys, the middle line. I also do the same thing like I do right and left. A little bit different here is how you put your hands, because here is middle, so one hand must be front while other hand supposed to be middle, so that you can add hair and continue go at the same time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
In this video, I used this Mzuka hair from Prima Afro, but you may use any kind of curly hair. This is how it is. In one pack comes with 2 bundles, and to crochet my entire head, I use less than this pack. So in back section up to the middle, each section I cut into 2 and then I separate. Just like this. And once you start crochet, don't start crochet end of your hair. Start a little bit up because this hair is gonna cover down and we want this hair look really natural. So after you finish crochet, you'll find the hair starts not too long. So once you trim the hair, you'll find you trim fewer more than to start crochet from end of your hair. When I crochet, I only secure 1 time, but you may decide to secure 2 times, 3 times, depending on how long you want to keep this hairstyle. But for me, I just want hairstyle that I can keep 3 weeks to 1 month, so I only secure 1 time. When you crochet your hair, don't forget you have to crochet also in between your lines so that the hair will be fully enough. And at the same time, you have to keep a little space when you crochet because this curly hair, once you fluffy, the hair become a lot, very full. So to avoid the hair to be too fully, just keep a little space. And after I crochet till half of my head, I just make sure I pull the hair up to see amount of hair I crochet. If should I add more or I just go with this. I crochet fewer hair because I don't want this hair to be like too fully. In front section, I use the whole piece and I start pull the section from down so that it will be easy for the section to separate, just easy like this way. And then I crochet. As I said, even in front, don't forget to crochet in between the lines to make the hair fully enough, and at the same time your hair will look more natural.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
When it comes to trim, the best way is trim fewer hair, because once you trim a lot of hair at the same time, it's very easy to make mistake, and once you make mistake, you have to redo the part you make mistake. So to avoid that, just trim fewer when you keep looking the size of hair you want, because you may decide either to put your hair bigger or longer than mine, or you may decide shorter than mine. Just go with the way you feel comfortable with. So as you see, every time I trim fewer and I start from end of the hair. Slowly start from end and I trim fewer. and I trim all sides right and left so that I can make the hair look even as much as possible. Don't forget at the back, the best way here is you have to make sure at least you have 2 mirrors. If you don't have 2 mirrors, just ask someone to help you to trim back section so that the hair can be even all sides. So keep trimming, trim from middle, right, left, and don't forget to make the way in your ear. So you have to trim a little bit in so that the ear can be out and your hair will look more natural. Another thing I forgot to tell you guys, when you are trimming your hair, the best way, use apron if you have. If you don't have, take towel and cover your body. That will reduce amount of hair that will falling directly into your body, because after I finished trimming, oh my goodness, I was so itching. The hair go everywhere in my body. So before finishing, I decided to take shower and then I come back. And guys, this is the final results for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching this video and you get something. If yes, kindly subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share with your loved one as much as you can. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.